Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about that how can you improve the gaming FPS. So if you're playing games onto your PC and computer and are noticing that the frame rate is very low or the quality is not up to the mark or your system hangs during playing the games but your graphics card is like top notch, still you're facing this issue, so this video is for you because in this video we are going to discuss the exact solution. Now note one thing in the starting only that this video actually talks about the graphics driver that is only applicable in Intel graphic cards. So if you have an Intel graphic cards, then you can continue with this video. For any other graphics card, this video is not applicable for you. So without any further ado, Intel users, let us start and see how can you improve your graphics card performance, how can you make sure it is up to date in your system and make sure that you are getting the best use of your graphics card while playing a game. So the process is pretty simple. All you got to do is just right click on the start menu. This will bring up this kind of a menu which prompts you to select multiple options. So we are going to go to the device manager. So device manager basically manages all the devices that are connected with this PC. One of such devices is a graphics card. So what we are going to do is just go to display adapters and expand it. Here you will see the name of your graphics card. In my case, it is Intel R HD Graphics 4000. So this is actually my graphics card which is from a company called Intel. That means this video is applicable in my case. So if you also have an Intel graphics card, this video is applicable for you also. Right click over here and go to update driver. This kind of a dialog box would appear. So either you can browse your computer for drivers manually or you can automatically search for drivers. So if any of the drivers are available, the best available drivers would be actually searched and then installed onto your device. So let's just search automatically for the drivers. So none of the drivers are available. That means our graphics card is actually installed with the best drivers already. So that means our graphics card is all updated. We can run the highest possible configuration of our games now. In your case, you might get some of the drivers to install, so you can install them. And once it's done, you can click on close and you will notice a difference in the performance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.